So this is how to add a background image to your project. So I've got here just a scroll view with some content in it. So imagine we want to apply a background behind all of this. So what we have to do is place all of our content that we have on the page, like the writing up here, all our images, our scroll view, text down there. We need to place everything in a Z stack and basically put the image behind that we want to go behind. So to start with, I have an image on my desktop. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Assets, Library. I've already got the picture I'm using in the project, but I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add it down here so it goes as a separate line, a separate thing. And this is called background colors as a name, basically. I might just copy that for now. So I've got that for in a minute. So the file name of this image to go behind everything. So if we come back to our app here, then the way we can do this very simply is I always try and build stuff like with a V stack kind of surrounding everything because then it makes adding things on much easier. So now if I command click on V stack, I can embed in different types of stacks. I'm going to choose a Z stack, right? So now what we have is a Z stack behind everything. And inside it is our V stack with all our content, like our text, our scroll view, then a V stack inside the scroll view with all of the images and bits of text and stuff, right? So now in here, we're going to add an image. So I'm going to add image. And I already copied the file name. So from the assets library, the name of the image here, background colors. So I'm going to paste that in there. Background colors. Now we're going to add some modifiers onto this because it doesn't look right yet. You'll notice it's like not very good, right? So first thing I want to do is resizable, which allows me to resize it. Then I'm going to go for aspect ratio. Let's go for fit for now. Might need to change this to fill in a minute. And then do you see now we have got the images sort of spreading, but it's not covering the bottom or the top. So these are the safe areas where you shouldn't put content really, unless you kind of have thought about it and know what you're doing. So to get this, I'm going to write dot ignores safe area, basically. And now it should spread into those areas, basically, is what we should see. I think we'll have to change this to fill. Like that, there we go. So that's how to add a background image. Is you need to take your kind of VStack or whatever's containing all of your content on your screen, embed that using command click, embed it in a Z stack, and then I've got the Z stack here. So the image is going first, that goes behind, and you obviously select your image out of the assets library, we resize it, we change the aspect ratio, and then we need this to go edge to edge, top and bottom of the screen, ignore the safe area. And that's how to do it. There you go.